Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be having an unboxing from one of my favorite stores, Candlescience. Yes! So I got this shipment last Saturday from Candlescience, guys, and I'm so excited. I just wanted to make this unboxing so we can see together all the goodies that we're going to be getting. I have an idea what it is, but I just want to share this with you. So I just wanted to take advantage of this beautiful weather and do this unboxing with you guys. So let me show you. So we have something in here. Let me see what it is. So we have in here some fragrance oils. Okay, I believe these are the new ones that came out. Okay, let me see. It's a Christmas, guys. I think there are 7 different ones. Okay, so let me see how many are here. I have 5. I think there's a couple more. I may be mistaken. Okay, so let's see what else I have in here. Okay, so I have more leads so you can figure out what it is, guys. I got the new leads from Candlescience. Let me see the name. It's called Mini Frosted Sonoma Jar. Okay, let me show it to you. Yes. Guys, I love these tumbler jars. I think they are unique. They're very heavy. I love the shape. I love the way they kind of look. They look very high-end because of the shape and also the heaviness of it. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I have another fragrance oil in here. I don't want to miss anything. Okay, I have another box in here. Hold on. And here they are, guys. These are the frosted Sonoma tumbler jars. This is the larger size. Okay, so this is what's in the package. Let me just open them. Let me just open this one here first. Wow, look how big they are. Oof. Oh my God, guys, look at how beautiful. Look at the detail, look at the thickness of it. Heavy glass. I'm telling you guys, this is gonna be beautiful on anyone's luxury candle line, guys. This is the kind of material that you need whenever you buy something that is high-end, luxurious, guys. It has to be heavy like this one, okay? So let me compare to the other one. Let me look at the smaller ones. Oh my God, what a cutie. Okay, so this is the smaller size. I'm gonna read you all the information after I put all this away, but look at how beautiful it is, guys. Again, heavy glass. Perfect combination for the two of them. Okay, so these are the leads for the big, I believe these are the leads for the big tumblers. They have many more, but I wanted to show you this kind because I think this kind looks so different from any other leads that I've seen in the market, you know. Okay, so these are the cork. Look at how nice this looks. It looks very soft, very luxurious, and it fits perfectly. Look at how nice it looks. Let me open the smaller one. You know, whenever you see something new, grab it, guys, because people look for new stuff, you know. And here it is. It's very cute. And it fits perfect on the vessel, guys. I'm so excited. Okay, guys, welcome back. So as you can see, I have the beautiful 7 fragrance oils. This collection redefines elegant with upscale fragrances featuring rare notes, explores nature-inspired aromas that rejuvenate the senses and indulges in sweet temptations. Okay, and for a limited time, sample these fragrances for 50% off, okay? This expires on May 1st. The first fragrance oil that I want to try is maple sugar. I'm going to be putting pictures from the website. Let's see. And guys, as you know, I'm not too keen on this kind of sweet fragrance oils, but you know what? Taste changes, okay? So let's go along, okay? Ooh, oh my God, this makes me so hungry. It so happens that I'm having a nice coffee here, guys. It goes so well with the coffee. Wow. Beautiful. It's a pure essence of maple. Okay, let's see. The fragrance notes is at the top note is brown sugar, orange, and bergamot. Yes, I get the citrusness from the opening notes. Very yummy, very seductive at the same time. Middle notes, vanilla and maple, and the base note is sugar and smoke. Okay, beautiful. If you like this kind of scent, guys, you're gonna love this one, okay? Very summery too. Okay, the next one is called Crystallized Ginger and Cardamon. Oh my God, this is so interesting. A spice delight. Crystallized Ginger and Cardamon fragrance oil walks the line between upscale gourmand and dazzling aromatic. Radiant top notes of lemon and orange complement the hearty heart of cardamom, ginger, sugar, and nutmeg. Subtle earthy notes of wood and patchouli in the base enhance this scent with a touch of elegance. Wow, sounds very interesting. Okay, let's see. Wow. Okay, it's very, I'm gonna call it spicy. The ginger is beautiful in there. It's not my favorite, guys, because it's too gourmandy for me. But the blend is beautiful, guys. The top note is lemon and orange. Middle notes, cardamom, ginger, sugar, and nutmeg. There's too many spices for me, okay? But if you like this type of scents, guys, you're gonna love this one. The base note is patchouli and wood. I think it's a very nice base note. You know, those two together because they embrace the rest. They carry the whole fragrance by itself. Beautiful. And guys, remember when I tell you guys, just because one scent is not for me doesn't mean that it's bad. Okay, you all have to do your own testing, guys, and all these fragrance oils are very good quality, and you're not gonna go wrong with any of them. Okay, the next one is called White Oris and Sandalwood. One delicate sniff of white Oris and Sandalwood fragrance oil, and you'll be mesmerized by its quiet luxury. Exquisitely composed, the heart of lactonic Oris, warm fig and violet take center stage. Wow, I love drama. An opening accord of sea salt and watery honeydew melon plus soft tones of sandalwood, amber, and clean musk in the base infuse this oil with nuanced complexity. This is easily one of our most sophisticated scents to date. Wow. Oh my God, this is touching my soul. This is absolutely precious, exquisite, beautiful, luxurious, inspiring, loving. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna have to make a candle out of this one, guys, because this one has touched my heart. This is absolutely magic. Wow. It's very floral, but very, very expensive smelling. The top notes, sea salt. The opening note, that's what made it, guys. The opening note of sea salt and honeydew melon. Woof! You'll never guess what it's in here, guys. The middle notes, violet, fig, and oris. Woof! Base notes, sandalwood, amber, and musk. Absolutely a must-have. Beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna have to make a candle out of this one, guys. That's gonna be my next video. Stay tuned. Okay, the next one is called Fog and Fern. Journey through a misty forest with fog and fern fragrance oil. This refreshing fragrance replicates the meditative atmosphere of cloud-covered woodlands cleansed by rain. Beautiful. This fragrance opens with a fresh breath of ozone and a bright bergamot, leading into soothing aromatic heart of lavender and mint. Oof, it's pure magic, guys. At the base rests green moss, mineral-rich earth, and a touch of juniper. Okay, this is so embracing, so refreshing, so zenning at the same time. Perfect for an aromatherapy candle. Very relaxing, very calming. You close your eyes and makes you just relax and feel in tune with nature. The green notes are sublime. I highly recommend this to you guys. Absolutely beautiful. The top note is ozone and bergamot. All those ozonic notes like the sea salt, ozone, earthy, are to me my favorite ones. Middle notes, lavender and mint. You can never go wrong with lavender and mint. And the base notes, moss, earth, and juniper. It's a masterpiece. Beautiful. The next one is called Amarto Meline. Okay, I love Medelines. I used to drink a lot of Amaretto when I was young. When I used to drink, I used to love also, I used to take the Amaretto and put Kahlua on it, you know. Named after the miniature French cakes, Amarto Meline fragrance oil is a multi-faced gourmand. Top notes of almond and orange are strong out of the bottle. But oh my God, yeah, I can smell it from here. I can smell it from here. Okay, but the delectable vanilla, oat, and milk middle notes develop more robustly in the wax product basis. Sandalwood and sugar provide. Okay, I have to smell this. Wow. Okay, guys, you know I'm not too crazy about this cakey fragrance oil, but this one I love. This one I love. It touches my heart. It's very yummy. It's not as sweet as I was hoping it to be. It's not too bakey. I think the balance is beautiful. It's there, you know. I think the Amaretto balance and the bakiness of it at the same time, even though to me it's not baking it makes it very romantic, very yummy, very comforting, very perfect for a gathering of friends and family. Absolutely beautiful, guys. The top note is almond and orange, and you know I'm not too crazy about almond, but in this case it's done to perfection. Middle note, vanilla, oat, and milk. The base note is sugar and sandalwood. I think the sandalwood note at the bottom is what really brings the whole fragrance together to me, you know. It gives memories of when I was younger, when I was with family and friends, you know. It's It's really very inspirational. Okay, the next one, Blossom. Yuzu Blossom fragrance oil contains all the facets of the energizing citrus fruit with an added touch of floral to create a bright and breezy scent. Top notes of bergamot, grapefruit, and mandarin start off this fragrance with a zing. Oh my god, I can smell it from here. Yes! And it's starting with a zing. The heart of yuzu is supported by passion fruit, sea salt, and elegant jasmine flowers. Woo! Say no more. Okay, I had to make this one bacano too. This one is touching my heart. This one is speaking to me. This one is telling me a story, guys. Cedar and amber accords run out the base, balancing the citrus notes for a smooth, even finish. Absolutely perfection. This reminds me of a very expensive Jo Malone scent. Also, very cozy, very romantic, perfect for date night. I think everyone's gonna love this one, guys. Let's see if I find the notes profile. The top note is bergamot, grapefruit, and mandarin. Perfect. Middle notes, passion fruit, jasmine, sea salt, and yuzu. And the base note is cedar and amber. Absolutely perfection, guys. Beautiful. Yes! Okay, and the last one I have in here is called leather and labdanum. Okay, step into a realm of dark sophistication with leather and labdanum fragrance oil. It's talking to me. It's like a volcano just exploded, you know, out of this bottle. Woof! Bewitching top notes of bergamot and spicy cloves unfold into the heart of labdanum, complemented by a hint of herbaceous lavender and rose petals. Base notes of... Okay, this is very deep, very masculine, very... This is like... very rough. The leather and the labdanum together is making like very dominant. It is presence note. It's very deep, very romantic. This is perfect for date night, guys. Woo! This is to fall in love with, guys. Guys, let me see the note profile because this is absolutely magical. The top note is clove and bergamot. Middle note, rose, lavender, and labdanum. The base note is leather, tobacco leaves, and amber. Absolutely very sensual, very sexy, okay? Woof! Okay, guys, so this is my take on all the new fragrance oils from Candlescience. Okay, guys, so let me tell you now all about the beautiful vessels in here that I got. Okay, this is the frosted Sonoma Jar, okay? This is brand new on the website. Let me read you a little bit about it. Okay, and it comes with different lids. You have to order the lid separately, guys. I decided to use the cork. Okay, let's see. The frosted Sonoma Jar is an exquisite addition to the Sonoma collection. Featuring a translucent frosted finish, these jars elegantly diffuse a serene ambient glow of candlelight. This versatile design adapts to many brand aesthetics, complements cozy, romantic, and sleek and modern settings. So the recommended wax weight to the fill line is 10 ounces, okay, of the different lids, okay. They have a rounded cork lid, which is this one here, for a complete feel of like a wine bottle feel. You know, this feels like a wine bottle, okay. I think it's beautiful. It's very different, okay. And this one, the same thing. It feels like a very expensive wine bottle. Okay, so guys, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be doing a candle for each one of these. I'm gonna be using the fragrance oils that I just reviewed for you guys. Let's see. Okay, these are the round cork lids. So if you go to the website, you're gonna see the different lids. I think it goes perfect with these vessels, and it also comes in different colors. So when you go to candlescience.com, you're gonna see the different choices. They have different colors. Okay, I love them in red. I have them in red. They have them in beautiful green. Also, about check them out. Okay, so I'm gonna go back inside, guys. I'm gonna be making another video, making the candle. Okay, guys. So this is the end of the video. I wanna thank you for spending this time with me. I wanna thank Candlescience for sending me these beautiful products, guys, and stay tuned for part 2, okay, guys? Until the next one, be well. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Check out my store, guys, candleromance.shop, so you can shop all my beautiful candles. So until the next video, guys, be well. Yeah! Success! Success! Yeah!